Hello everyone, let us prepare this curd rasam or perugu charu in just 2 minutes when you don't have any vegetables around or you don't want to go out and get them. So try this best recipe, you will truly love this. So all we need is take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add 2 tablespoons of urad dal into it. And then give it a nice stir till you get nice aroma or when it turns golden brown. Now it's time to add our garlic pods into it. Add 4 to 5 garlic pods and 3 red chilies into it, and then some cumin seeds and some mustard seeds, and then give it a nice stir, and then add fresh curry leaves into it, and that's it. Your tampering just gets spluttered, and then it's time to add our 4 long slit green chilies and 1 long slit medium onion. So close the lid and let it cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute your onions turn soft, and then it's time to add a chopped ginger into it. Just half a tablespoon will do good, don't miss the ginger. And add medium sized tomato chopped into it and give it a nice stir. Close the lid and cook it for 10 minutes, and then when your tomatoes turn soft, it's time to add 3/4 tablespoon of turmeric, 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder, pinch of chili powder, and then salt to taste. Now mix it well and then close the lid and allow it to cool for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes the oil starts oozing out, and that is the right time you turn off the flame and cool it. After you cool this mixture, take the curd and then give it a nice stir so that you don't have any lumps in the curd. Add a little water. You can even blend it in the mixie or else in the tumbler, or you can just shake it in a bottle, but just remember that you shouldn't add more water into it. If you add more water into it, it will not become curd rasam, but it will become buttermilk rasam. So serve this creamy curd rasam with hot rice. So why this curd rasam? It will mix well with rice and it's very rich and creamy in taste. So try and let me know how it turned to you.